Hi and welcome to another product demo from FordFix.com. Today we're going to be showing you our Kuga 13 to 16 plate proximity key programmer. We're going to be adding a spare key to this 15 plate Kuga. It's already got two working keys with it, and we're just going to add this extra aftermarket key. So I'll just show you. Now we'll jump in anyway. There we go. It's a bit noisy in this car lot, so we'll do the rest sat in the vehicle itself. There's two working proximity keys. Got the aftermarket proximity key that we're going to be adding today. It does nothing. Now, the OBD port on these Kugas is not as easily accessible. It's on a panel just here, but they didn't put any sort of easy to grab lever or recess, so you've got to give it a good pull. If you reach around the side there, that usually works okay. There's the OBD port. Now what we'll do is take our standard FordFix programmer. We'll check the number of keys programmed to this vehicle first, but we know it's two, but we'll just check anyway. So all the dips down. This is done, all work on this is done with the ignition off, but it's always best to have the hazard warning lights flashing, because that keeps the ECUs awake and they won't go to sleep and jeopardise the programming procedure. So first things first, I'll just check the number of keys. Two keys programmed. There we go. What we'll do is just put switch 4 up, standard add key mode. What we'll do is pop that back in, get one blue beep and a flash to let us know we're in add key mode. It takes about 45 to 60 seconds. Nothing appears on the dashboard, but we just wait for a high tone and a blue flash from the programmer. And that lets us know that we need to press and hold the unlock button on the fob we want to program. It takes a little while. There we go. And just press and hold that one. And it takes about 15 to 20 seconds to code in. You can let go once it does the key count again. There we go. 3 keys now programmed. Take the programmer out. Turn the hazards off. Test the key. And I know people have asked in the past, so what I'll do is, if we just pop these keys far enough away that they're not going to affect the workings of the one we've just programmed. If I just pop the clutch, press the button, there we go, steady away. Happy days. See you in the next one.